Hey, what's up guys, it's Jeremy on Tech, and today's video is actually about, I think it's Satechi, or drop a comment below, let me know if I'm pronouncing that right or not. And these are the dual Sonic 2.0 speakers. I've actually been waiting to do this review for a little while. My wife actually bought these for Christmas for me. I know, right? Taking me a while to get around to these. And as you guys seen with my desktop setup, I had already set these up on my desk. So let's go ahead and unbox these suckers and do a quick little kind of overview so you guys can see them. And then we'll follow up with some thoughts. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this was the review of the Satechi, I think, right? Is it dual Sonic 2.0 speakers? I mean, honestly, I think they sound really nice. They're really clear sounding. I've done a little bit of video editing with them so far, and they're really clear. I've caught some things that I wouldn't have caught just from my MacBook Pro speakers. Headphones really are the best way to go when you're editing video because you're going to hear a lot more. You're able to isolate more of the sound so you can hear everything. Because I wear glasses, I don't like wearing headphones all the time. I can wear earbuds and they're comfortable, but like wearing over-ear headphones, they're not as comfortable because then it's like, it pushes your frames against your face. So with that being said, I do like actually just having some speakers sitting on my desk. And plus the look of them, they sit on the desk well. The cables, it's kind of a pain. It does have an inline volume as you guys seen, but really what I do, I turn the volume up on these all the way up, leave them plugged into my computer, and I just adjust the sound from my computer. I've had other USB powered speakers and they've always had kind of like a hum kind of to them. And these don't hum at all. These are actually really silent. There's no like excess like white noise from them when you don't have any sound running through them. I can't remember what the desk is called from IKEA, but the one desk has kind of like a back opening where you can hide wires and stuff. These speakers would probably be great on that desk because you could literally just drop the cables right in. The two cables that are coming out, to hook to your computer, or if you have a monitor like I have that has the audio out, you could plug this into your monitor and then you just need the USB cable then to plug into your computer. Now I will say I tried to plug the USB into my power strip because it does have USB ports on there for charging like your phone and iPads, stuff like that. And all it did was give me static through the speakers. It didn't actually work that way. Obviously there's maybe some kind of power limit, or maybe it may even be just it needs to be plugged into the computer to work properly. I'm not really sure. I'll have to kind of dive a little more into that. And obviously, I mean, there's a lot of speakers, a lot of different speakers out there. These are just kind of the ones that I chose because these went with my whole mid-century modern look. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And also, hit that little bell icon, and that will let you guys know when I post new videos. And that's pretty much it, man. So thanks for stopping on by my channel. Check out my video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.